Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we will learn A, B, C. So let's start the video. Purple color. A for alligator. A for alligator. Red color. B for boy. B for boy. Black color. C for clock. C for clock. Green color. D for doll. D for doll. ये है D for doll. Purple color. E for elephant. E for elephant. ये है E. Red color. A for fruits. F for fruits. ये है F. Blue color. ये है G. ये है G. G for God. G for God. ये है G. Purple color. ये है Ace. ये है Ace. Ace for hand. Red color. ये है I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Black color. ये है J. ये है J. J for jackfruit. Green color. ये है K for king. K for king. Purple color. ये है L for lion. L for lion. Red color. ये है M for monkey. M for monkey. ये है M. Blue color. ये है N for nut. N for nut. Purple color. ये है O for orange. O for orange. Red color. ये है P. ये है P for penguin. P for penguin. Black color. ये है Q. ये है Q for queen. Q for queen. Green color. ये है R. ये है R for rose. R for rose. Purple color. ये है S. ये है S. S for sun. S for sun. Red color. ये है T for tree. T for tree. Blue color. ये है U. ये है U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Red color. ये है V for van. V for van. Black color. ये है W. ये है W for wheel. W for wheel. Green color. ये है X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Purple color. ये है Y for yolk. Y for yolk. Red color. ये है Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A for alligator. B for boy. C for crown. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nut. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for fan. W for wheel. X for X-ray. Y for yolk. Z for zebra. Hello kids, like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.